Hello, kindergartners. Today we are going to be learning a new number. Today's number is 5. So give me 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Today we have a short video to watch too that helps us practice our counting. Here it goes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jelly beans. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 jelly beans. They are too bored, yawn, yawn. So 10 jelly beans are going to find something fun.
On the road.
11 jelly beans drive vroom, vroom, vroom. 12 jelly beans hop, beep, beep, beep. 13 jelly beans roll, go, go, go. 14 jelly beans dance, spin, spin, spin. Wow! 15 jelly beans jump, hop, hop, hop. 16 jelly beans dive, splash, splash. 17 jelly beans laugh, ha, ha, ha. 18 jelly beans sing, la, 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 la. Wow! 19 jelly beans nap, sleep, sleep, sleep. Hush, they sleep deep, deep, deep. But the alarm goes off, ring, ring, ring. 20 jelly beans run, dash, dash, dash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
All right, kindergartners, that was kind of a fun video for today. Now, as I said before, the number of the day today is 5. We have a whole handful now, 5. So here we have the numeral 5. This is one of the harder numbers to make. So when we practice writing the number later, remember that it's kind of a tricky one, and so just be patient and believe in yourself and you'll be able to do it. The number word 5, F, I, V, E. So we write it, we have an F, I, we have to dot the I at the end, V, E, 5. That's the number word, F-I-V-E. When we have 5 on the 10 frame, it fills up the whole top row. So you'll know 5 on a 10 frame when you see the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All those rectangles are full. The bottom is empty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 empty spaces on the bottom. So we know we have 5 when we see the whole top row of our 10 frame is full. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles or 5 dots on the 10 frame. When we have a domino, it looks kind of like the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The dot in the middle makes 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would also look the same if you had a dice. Tally marks is a bit different, so watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth one goes across, so you know it's a 5 group or a group of 5. So instead of just having 5 lines, this is another tricky part of 5. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What comes before 5? What do you think? Do you know? Go ahead. That's right, it's 4. 4 comes before 5. What comes after 5? We said 4 comes before. What comes after 5? Do you know? Yep, it's 6. 6 comes after 5. Count on from that number, which is 5. So we won't count these. We won't count 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. We'll start right at 5. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's try that one more time together. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice. Creature number 5. How many eyes do you need to drive? He's our counting creature of the day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count his feet too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say the poem again. Creature, creature number 5. How many eyes do you need to drive? Here we go. Down, around, give it a hat. That's a 5, just like that. Down, around, give it a hat. That's a 5, just like that. Another way we've thought about this, if you have the number formation poem sheet, is short neck, belly fat, Mr. 5 wears a hat. Short neck, belly fat, Mr. 5 wears a hat. So, we are to that time when we look at our activity. And here it is. It is the number 5. Show me 5 or give me 5 is one hand. Remember, we talked about what the 10 frame looks like. Who can help me remember this? Oh yeah, it's the whole top row is filled. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles on the 10 frame. And remember, we start this like this. Short neck, belly fat, Mr. 5 wears a hat. Short neck, belly fat, Mr. 5 wears a hat. All right, 5, F, I, V, E. We look for the 5s. Here's one here, here's one there. Tally, remember this is the tricky part, don't forget this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Draw it. I'm going to draw 5 squares today, or rectangles. We'll see what it turns out to be. 1, or blocks. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is today's activity. It is the number 5. We have one whole hand filled up. We have a whole top of our 10 frame filled up. And we are done with our numbers of the day for this week. I wonder what number might be the number of the day next week. I guess we'll have to wait and find out. Have a great day, kindergartners.